Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new fun interactive album to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a new camera book. Camera books are like my favorite to make. I have a little collection of them now, and this one turned out so beautiful. I am using the collection called Photographer by Mintai, which is one of my subscription box projects. So this is the box for the month of June. You can still find this box on the website as a standalone, so I will have the link down below. So with the purchase of the box kit, you also get access to the class, but I will also be having these as a video class only if you just want to follow the tutorial for this book. The book measures 8.5 by 6.5, and then we have this top closure here. We're using the elements of the collection to create this lens here on top, so I'm using a lot of foam tape to add volume. These are the flowers that come on the box as well. And so let me just give you a close-up here, and then this is the top of the closure, and then side, and then the back. Absolutely love the colors on this collection. I think it's so pretty. So to open this book, we're gonna open this up and open this to the side, and we have 3 very fun signature pages on this book. And so over here on the inside cover, we're using some of the ephemera. Now this opens up like that, so you can put a picture, and as you can see, this is a sliding little feature, and then you open that up, then you slide this to the other side and open this up, and then you can also put a picture here on the back. And then we're just gonna move this over, close, and then this magnetizes here at the center. Then on this first page, these open up like that, and then this opens down, and then all of these will open up, so you have places for pictures here, but also we have a sliding secret feature here, so you can add a picture right there or a secret note, and then this magnetizes back, and then this closes up like that. Then here on the back, we just have a beautiful place for a picture here, and just a simple flap, so you can add more pictures in there. Then over here on the next page, we have this feature like this little booklet, and then this opens up and down, and then this is also a spinnable feature here, so you can add pictures and just kind of move this around. You can add pictures on the back there as well, and then this whole thing will close and magnetize in place. Then on the next page, just a simple pocket right there, so you can add more photo mats in there. And then over here we have this beautiful image of the studio. I just love the colors and all the little vintage details here. And then this opens up, and we have this really fun pop-up page, so we have places for pictures here on the back, and then places for pictures here on the front as well. So I think this page turned out really fun. I love the ephemera because it's so detailed. I just really like that, so I wanted this to kind of look like the studio, and then you can put your pictures on the back here. So this is left open, and then this closes up, and here on the back we have this little place here, so you can add your pictures on the inside. You can slide them through the top, or just simply glue them here on the front. And then on the back of this page, we have a really large pocket, and so you can add some pictures in there, large photo mats. I'm actually gonna put this one right there. And so yeah, and then on this last page, we have again a place for a picture. Love the beautiful paper, and then this is a sliding page here. So really cute, really fun, interactive layout. Is the Mintai Photographer camera book project here. I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. Again, I'm gonna have the link to my website. If you like to subscribe to the box, you will be starting with the July box or maybe even the August box right now. But again, this will be available as a standalone, and also the video class is listed on the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.